Okay, so today we're going to be making a cheesecake. Tomorrow's my brother-in-law's birthday and I'm making him one. It's going to be a strawberry cheesecake. Got 4 eggs, graham crackers to make our graham cracker crust, some sugar, vanilla extract, 4 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, and a stick of butter. Springform pan that we're going to be using. The butter is softened along with the cream cheese. Butter, which right here you can see is equivalent to 5 1/3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And right here, where this dot is, that'd be your third. Butter is softened and needs to be melted, so I'm just gonna throw that in the microwave for a few seconds. Okay, I'm gonna make my own graham cracker crust, so I'm just gonna take my rolling pin and smash it. Okay, so I've made this recipe like 1,000 times, so I can tell by eyeballing this that it's about 1½ cups, but just for the camera's sake, I'll go ahead and measure it. So here's 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, because I crushed them up, remember? And there's a little bit extra in the bowl. I like to do it closer to 2 cups. I think that 1½ just kind of cuts it short. Stacks like I have, and I used 3 of these small little packages to make the crust. Here I have the melted butter that I added into. Also added into that, we are going to put a little bit of sugar. Here's 1 tablespoon, and here's 2 tablespoons. Mix it. Okay, so then you're going to take a fork and you're going to combine all that stuff that you just put in the bowl, the butter, the graham cracker crumbs, and the 2 tablespoons of sugar. And this is your crust. After you get it combined, then you're going to press it into the bottom of your springform pan to make the crust. So when your graham crackers are coated, it's going to look like this. Take that mixture and you're going to dump it into your springform pan. Okay, so now that you have all your crumbs in the pan, while they're still wet, you just want to start pressing them around. Press firmly onto the bottom of the pan, because again, this is your crust. So you just press it. I don't like to do store-bought crust. I like to make mine from scratch. I'm going to just press it down firmly. You press it all firmly down. Make sure no pieces are coming up when you move your hand. And that is your beautiful crust. Okay, so I'm going to drop my 4 blocks of softened cream cheese into my KitchenAid. I opened them up already, so I wouldn't have to bore you guys with that. Okay, so now that we've put the cream cheese in there, I am going to dump in the cup of sugar. And I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using McCormick. I'm gonna dump that in there. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so that's my cream cheese mixture and my vanilla and my sugar. Now I'm gonna drop in 1 egg at a time. So there's 1 egg. There's 2 eggs. Fourth egg. Okay, I just want you guys to see the consistency of my batter, and then this is going to go on to the crust that we just made. Now you're going to pour that mixture into your springform pan. Your oven's been preheating at 325. You have to cook these nice and slow. This cheesecake will take over an hour to cook. It'll get nice and golden brown when it's finished, and then you'll let it chill in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. And if you want a classic, leave it plain, or you can add any pie filling of your choice. I'm gonna do strawberry today. Okay, so here's my trick. So you're gonna take a butter knife and you're just gonna scrape around. And I like to go around more than once, making sure that it's a nice, clean, even break. And this is very important before you open up your spring. Let me turn it around here so you can see that side. So my spring right here, I'm gonna open it up. Watch. See how it released that cheesecake nice and clean? And now this will sit in the refrigerator to cool. Now for my pie filling, I am using Lucky Leaf. It's non-GMO, strawberry, and I'm gonna let it get warm. Pour my warmed pie filling onto that cheesecake. I mean, look at that. Looks beautiful. And it is excellent. Okay, so now that you have your pie filling on, you're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it chill a couple hours so it firms up and has the right texture. But this is an excellent cheesecake. You guys make it and drop me a comment and let me know what you think. Like and subscribe to my channel.